continuous research. I have started a book editing on this title.
Yes, I have shared it with my faculty members also.
Now, this presentation is another experience for me.
Really, that how many, I don't know how much time you have for doing all these things. Like you're editor of several books and you're publishing papers and you're also doing some your considerable research. What
Yes,
subjects
sir.
you handle in your university, sir? I think your voice is breaking, sir. Sivaram.
2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes.
No problem, please.
Hello, is it audible, sir, now?
Yes, you're more clear now. This institute is in Andhra Pradesh or in Tamil Nadu, sir? This one, Bharat Institute?
Telangana.
Telangana, okay.
Goodbye.
So with your permission, we'll try to proceed. Dr. Prasad, please, sir.
Okay, sir. Hi, Sivaram, sir. This is Prasad, Associate Professor in SHRI VISHNU Engineering College for Women.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The honor is mine to introduce Dr. P. Sivaram. Dr. P. Sivaram, working as Associate Professor in Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, Telangana. He completed PhD in Computer Science from Anna University, Chennai, Tamil Nadu in October 2017. And he did his ME from Anna University, Chennai. His research areas are managed routing protocol optimization and Android app development, and so many research areas are there. He invited as a resource person for numerous FDPs. He conducted and attended several workshops and national and international conferences. He published many high indexed papers with more Scopus citations. He is a professional member of IAENG, ESRII, IAOE, ICS, ES, IFERP, and ISOC. He got Special Appreciation Award from the District Collector, Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, India, for the successful design, development, and implementation of Android app named Meeting the Management Tool. And he also author and a reviewer for various books and international journals and conferences. This FDP is extremely fortunate to have such a great resource person. Thank you, sir. Sir, could you please share your insights in the area of hands-on practices and examples to social welfare, computer applications, and optimizations with emerging technologies in computer science? Sivaram, sir, I hand over the mic to you. Please continue, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I hope the screen is now visible.
Voice is breaking, sir.
Is the screen is allowed? Just check it.
Yes, the screen is visible, sir. Please proceed.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes. I hope now it's clear and visible. Is my voice is audible? Yes, sir. If voice is audible, I can continue further. And
A voice is audible, sir. Your voice is audible, please.
Okay. Welcome to all on this FDP and thanking all the dignitaries who have provided the opportunity to present the extended content of the February month faculty development program. This is an extended version. So hands-on practices and examples to social welfare applications optimization with emerging technologies in computer science. That is this is presented under FDP on recent trends in artificial intelligence and cyber security on this day and 4 p.m. So I'm Dr. P. Shivram, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. So in this connection, the technology, artificial, in the last presentation we discussed about all sorts of emerging technologies and its need, how we can mold software applications. Yes, sir. Hello. Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir, it is clear. Please proceed, sir. It is clear.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Some interruption was there, that's why I stopped. This is an extended version. In the last week, I have listed more than 14 emerging technologies in the computer science area, wherein which the social welfare applications can be created and the existing application can be added with the subsystems to optimize and we can make use in the social purpose, social utilization purpose. That's a common public usage purpose. In such a thing, you may come across various technologies and its advancements and operation concepts you may be trained under which and no training is available. What is this such application? How the system can be molded? How the system can be brought into the practice after implementation? In such a context, I have taken some 8 examples in this presentation. They are treated as social welfare computer applications, and all these applications are existing in current practice. The existing system with this AI and cyber security concepts are integrated with it, and further it is optimized for the social use. The listed title, all 8 are Indian patents title. I have filed all these 8 patents under this name. The first one is the remote voting system. Second is the system and method for conducting contactless transactions. A remote exam invigilation system. The first one, device and method for calculating usage-based frequency. Hello.
You have muted the participants. You have muted the participants. Some participants are unmuting. Sorry for this.
Okay, I thought that.
No.
Nothing, sir. I'm thinking that not all
Your voice is very clear. Please proceed, sir.
Thank you, sir. The fourth application is the device and method for calculating usage-based toll fee. And the fifth one is the system for pollution detection and environmental analysis-based weather prediction. Sixth one is the remote seating arrangements with free seat identification and reservation system. Seventh one, system for monthly electricity bill automation. And eighth one, system and method for location-based travel alarm. These 8 are now, as an example, you can treat under social welfare computer applications and its optimization. And this FDP is focusing on artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. I am blessed with these 2 technologies, emerging technologies, all are integrated with this on 8 patents. Now, the next one is the remote voting system. You can clearly see the architecture or flow diagram of this particular application, wherein which the AI and cybersecurity. When this voting system is considered, the cybersecurity plays a vital role, wherein which the the voters' validation plays a vital role. You can see from the diagram, from the place wherein which not only within India, wherever in the world, on the day of election process, from that particular locality of your own, you can cast the vote for the Indian election system. That is now enabled with the help of AI and cybersecurity. AI is used to identify the voter is an authenticated voter or not. The voter validation is done with the help of AI technology. Then the transaction on this particular activity, this particular remote voting system is entirely controlled by security aspects, through which we are making this particular social welfare application with the help of these 2 technology. Not alone this, the web technology plays a vital role, and the GPS position system, the global positioning system, GPS also involved in this. And this particular work of this patent, I have patented this particular work, and this claims Uday servers pertain to other the reference set of attributes corresponding to all valid citizens of the nation, including the one or more entities like the fingerprint or the iris recognition These are all the attributes corresponding to that. With the help of that, the voter is validated with the system. Then integration of voter ID with the Aadhaar is entertained and informed in this pattern. Along with AI with cyber security, the application optimization is done under this particular work. The further information about this application can be read at these two URLs which is provided in the slide. At time I share this slide to you. The one of the application is a remote voting system. Now it is possible with a move towards the blockchain can also be included in this. Blockchain based remote voting system can be developed. That's a future enhancement also available with this filed patent and its content. The first one is a patent link. Second one on the same application, I have, on the same work, I have written a book chapter with all clear details about this operations. The second one, the system and method for conducting contactless transaction is the second application, or we can say social welfare computer application, in which the ATM machine is the existing system. With the AI along with the security, by incorporating these two technology as a subsystem, we can optimize the ATM machine operations in terms of contactless. Always the ATM machine is subjected to contact oriented. We are supposed to touch the machine. We have to give the PIN number. We have to insert the card, and that's a debit card or what card is provided. That card has to be used with the machine. In such a context, with the help of mobile computing and mobile devices, how the entire ATM machine can be made with contactless. Here, only two places the contact is existing. One is collecting money as well as depositing money. Apart from that, we are not supposed to touch the machine. That also, the collecting money and depositing money also sanitized envelope cover based money collection and money deposit is entertained and informed in this particular work, for which the artificial intelligence as well as the security aspects are highly helpful to mold this particular work under the patent activity. From the diagram, you can see the smartphone-based app server and the corresponding ATM machines and its Wi-Fi and the banking server are interlinked for its processing. So this particular Indian patent claims a mobile computing device associated with the entire system establishes communication with the ATM device to conduct contactless transactions with the ATM device. The mobile computing device associated with the system is communicatively coupled with the ATM device through a communication network. Here also this particular work also I have written as a chapter in CRC Steger and Francis book series, and this content also available in the second URL, and first URL is the information about the patent. For further information, you can read from this. The third one, the remote exam invigilation system. During this pandemic situation, all computer professionals are subjected to create new idea, new information, new systems which can provide the hygienic and social distancing. In such a way, this idea that also comes under a social, that the society belongs to the institutional group and educational group, they can utilize this particular activity in which the examination point of view as an manual invigilator, how he is monitoring inside the exam hall, the same can be obtained, but the students can be placed with the social distance in a particular classroom and they are monitored. Even not only in the classroom, the students can also be take written examination in their home or room. From there also this system will monitor properly and give the misbehaviors and other information, and it is properly done. It will appreciate in such a way the system is designed, in which this particular pattern and this information applies an automatic exam invigilation system, a combination of internet, World Wide Web, cloud network, local area network, wide area network, Bluetooth network, wireless fidelity, global system for mobile communication, and global positioning system network with enhanced security, in which artificial intelligence role is not present in this work, But the security, up to now, what three examples I narrated, all three are equipped with this particular security is enhanced in it. Without security, all such applications cannot be moved. The cyber security plays a vital role in implementing. In such a case, these three are again coming under social welfare computer applications optimization. This is the new key term under this computer science and engineering domain I'm introducing. The fourth work, you can see that device and method for calculating usage-based toll fee. Now, the toll fee collection or the transportation, the road environment is subjected to an infrastructure. Even from the manual collection, now they changed it to the fast tag based amount collection. Even that provides a little delay for the transporter, the vehicles which are all running on the road environment. That also can be provided with this such infrastructure system is not needed using the Google's geofence concept. The geofences on the Google map of the particular toll road can be marked in an application, an Android based or any computational device, smart device based map application can be designed, and through which when the vehicle enters in the road environment, it automatically identifies the toll road starting point. When the vehicle comes out, identified by the same system. In between starting and end point, distance is calculated based on the particular the policy what we are having 1 kilometer or per meter. What is the charges accordingly? Pay per usage based toll fee can be collected. This can eliminate a person who is 300 meters in front of the toll gate. He is starting his travel, and after the toll gate, just 200 meters he is traveling. He is not supposed to pay the entire amount. How many meters he is traveling, that much of amount can be paid by the user. This comes under artificial intelligence, and the same cybersecurity is applicable in this particular application. This is not written as a book chapter. The patent information alone available with this here. And the fifth one, system for pollution detection and environmental analysis based weather prediction, in which there is no artificial intelligence existence, only the cyber security has a role in it. In an environment, educational environment, it is not sending any dissemination, it is not disseminating any messages to the user mobile. A common display digital board will be available, there in which we can identify, we can know what is the problem in the environmental parameters like water and air and sound. What pollution is available that will be displayed on the screen. For which such an application can also be possible with IoT concepts, and it climbs a weather predicting system based on detection and analysis of environmental pollution surroundings one or more predetermined locations in the system. And its patent information is available on the given URL of the slide. Then sixth, it's a remote seating arrangement with free seat identification and reservation system. This seating arrangement, it's a common seating arrangement system. This can be applied in institution for auditorium purpose, in local transportation bus, where how many seats are available in the local buses. We are having the applications for the long journey buses. But the public transportation inside the metropolitan area or a city environment, we are not having such facility. The students, those scholars are right now working, they can create particular seating arrangements application, and that will serve the society in all aspects. The aged and elder people can utilize this application at what time, on what bus, tracking also available in this, how they can reach the bus stand, what time, 10 minutes prior, they can start the walking towards the bus stop, and the free seats are available. For the social welfare, this particular application is created and it is patented. This particular idea claims a this is wrong, we have placed anyhow, remote seating arrangement with three-seat identification and reservation system. This is a general and common mode of seating arrangement system. This application can be applied with any of the social welfare applications, even bus seating and our students' auditorium or laboratory seat, lab seat placements, etc. and etc. This information is available and the link is provided in the slide. The next is system for monthly electricity bill automation. Even it's an old project now with available IoT based concepts. This idea is optimized again. Already such automation systems are existing in the market and in the field, but the emerging technologies again opens a wide door and wide risk we are having to implement further. Each and every the meter which is available, there is this one IoT subsystem. Again, the security is implemented in it. Artificial intelligence is not equipped in it. And when the bill cycle date is coming according to previous month cycle and this month, what is the meter reading difference is that based on the electricity board policy, the amount will be calculated and that will be auto debited from the customers or the consumers bank account. Then the information will be disseminated to the consumer as well as the board. If any discrepancy, only the human workers of electricity board can be utilized for correction and verification and solving any issues are raised. This idea also patented, and the invention focuses on designing the framework of automated subsystem to calculate the electricity consumption units, tariff rate, and tariff details. The developed mobile application will facilitate for online electricity payment system. So this information is available under the Indian Patent Journal. It is published, and you can visit and you can take the information with the application number. And first link is providing the publication information of this patent. Second is details about this patent available on other platforms. And with the diagram, you can see once the application idea conceptually you have created, that has to be plotted in proper way with the diagrammatic approach. The pictorial representation provides the clarity on it. The last eight one is a system and method for location-based travel alarm. So when now even we are having such activities now with the help of security alone, cyber security, this location based before 10 kilometers of the certain location, the alarm will trigger us, and this is also considered social welfare applications optimization in this scenario. So whenever you are planning a conceptual way of application molding, because all are now focusing on the conceptual technology information and theoretical mode and explaining the concepts, technology, these are all okay. Now our scholars and students are supposed to practice how we can create an application which can provide the social welfare through which society members can utilize with the available technology. First, the conceptual based design is needed. They are supposed to focus on this particular design and development. After the paperwork or this patent filed, you can start your implementation work through which the technology what we are learning can have the pleasant view by the society. If you are providing so many applications in such a way which supports the society in all aspects, people will be happy to use such applications. So this is information, and I'm planning to say the title once again. So the social welfare applications optimization with emerging technologies in computer science is a main topic in which how the hands-on practice of application molding, application creating, and certain 8 examples I have narrated in this presentation. Surely, I hope this will support the members, those who are having ideas in hand then but they have not started their conceptual view of visualizing such an application, how such technology can be incorporated and integrated with the application molding, application system molding. And so happy to share all these examples at this point. And my presentation get ends at this section. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Please.
Yes, sir. I am concluding this presentation at this point.
So, dear participants, if you have any questions, please ask to the professor. Please unmute yourself and ask the questions.
So participants, if you wish to interact with our professor, you can unmute yourself and can interact with our professor, please. So by 4:30, I think you have to take buses or what, sir? You have your own transport in Hyderabad.
Yes, sir. I'm having vehicles here. There is no issue at this time. Last time I used the college bus. Now I'm having my vehicle car with me.
Beyond
Yes, just
4:30,
3
then
kilometers.
the traffic will be more in Hyderabad also, it seems to be.
No, sir. I am staying in a little village area, this outer environment near Ibrahim. So that's not at all an issue right now.
It was a nice idea to be nearer to the college itself.
Yeah, just 3 kilometers away from the institution gate. I found a room. I am now staying in the home. There is no issue at what time also I can.
Okay. Any participants, if you wish to interact with our professor, please unmute yourself and you can have a query. I think your presentation is very clear.
So, we can't say that, but they are not having interest right now to interact because they may have some idea or this is the last session of this day. Maybe got stressed.
Anyway, Prasadera, please proceed, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, Sivaram, sir, actually very excellent presentation. We are enlighten our minds with very good examples, social applications.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So in that, impressed with one example, sir, remote exam invigilation system, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes, it's a very,
And
very
we
good,
can
sir.
have the
And
discussion further. Those who are interested, we can have the discussion further.
And we are share the links for each and every patent and information. So it is very useful for budding researchers who want to do the research in these particular areas. And you are open the doors of the researchers, sir. Thank you very much,
Yeah.
sir. So in future
Thank you, sir.
also we want our association with SVCW, sir.
Yeah, again, I will update with another information regarding continuing the same concept. We'll have the other discussion. So much happy to have you in my continuous delivery.
Thank you very much, sir.
If you wish to announce that, if you wish to announce that you have some books now, sir, if you wish to announce that also, you can announce because all these are engineering faculty around almost 37 engineering colleges. If you have any announcement to be done, you can do, please. Or I will share with them.
Surely, now I will share my screen again. Is it sharing?
Yes, please do that, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, 2 minutes, sir. The page is loading. The topic what I mentioned, this is recognized by the IGA Global International Academic Publishers from USA, and they have given the book title for me to edit, Perspectives on Social Welfare Applications, Optimization and Enhanced Computer Applications. And this is the title of the book, and it is having up to November 26th, first phase of chapter collection, as well as February 8th, also second level of chapter collection. The students' final year projects can also be written as a chapter. With this, here I am being the editor of this particular book. And once you want to propose a chapter in this, just you are in need of a title and abstract list of authors' details with mail ID and other things. You can have the open choice, not only the examples information I have provided today with you, along with I'm providing an opportunity where your research idea can also be recognized and approved by internationally. So you can write a chapter under this. When you are clicking that chapter proposal, propose a chapter button, you can have this view. Just a minute.
What about the indexing, sir? Is it
It's
indexed
a Scopus, it's Scopus and SEAE. Now
standard?
it is not given after certain level of proposals are over, and they will check the quality of the documents what we collected and how we are processing. Accordingly, it is indexed in Scopus as well as SEAE.
So, anyways, even for our faculty also, it will be very important because
all your final year students, project work, whatever you are doing, all are coming under social welfare computer applications optimization. Not only the CS, ECE, civil, mechanical, which provides the social welfare costs. We can propose a chapter under this book. And fortunately, your resource person is the editor for this, and we can have the clarity. And we can do much and more in the cooperated mode to improve the quality of the chapter. So when picking the proposed chapter, you can get some chapter title you have to provide, list of authors with email ID, then the abstract and introduction part. Now you can propose with your idea. Once the final year students' projects are available, the guide can take this initiative with the students, and your students will also have the article write-up in undergraduation stage itself. So you can promote still it's having time up to June 2023. So we are having plenty of time. 2 phases of the project work can also be done relaxedly. That can be written if you are presenting in the project work or project report. That will stay in the institution library and in the university. But if you are writing this, the student will have the accepted paper information and his published information to wherever he is applying for the job. We can cultivate the practice of writing a research article on his idea, what he is having in hand. So in this way, this edited textbook is having the value, and we are having the deadline November 26th first one, full chapter submission February 8, and final submission date up to February 8, 2023. Final year students work and focused on this work, this book work.
And we have almost 15 to 16 doctorates in the department, and everybody will participate in this, sir. Even not only the UG students, but also the doctorates, they have very good research papers with them. They will also send. I think most of them will be in line with your theme of the book also. That's what I could understand.
This idea was proposed and presented first at our institution only on February nine typing, nine
Yes,
type
yes, what you said is right.
this idea it was introduced. After that, I applied with various publishers. This publisher I have approved this concept, and they have very much energized. And I used our presentation video only for getting the proposal from this book. I proposed this our video. I got this approval.
Yes, yes. But you have also the international editor also in your panel. From
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Who is that?
I think you have an international editor with you also when you are proposing
Yes.
this particular. No.
No. I'm a single man, just tried with plenty of publishers, and I
Okay.
got from two areas, Singer Nature as well as this IGA Global. This IGA Global came very first, that's why I accepted. I missed the Singer Nature conference proceedings.
Really, it's wonderful. So the first half is super. The second half is better than the first half. Actually,
I
this
want
is
to provide next also with excellence. I am planning all credits are goes to you because I'm using this platform for the worldwide publicity.
Yes, yes. Because see, we have almost 500 participants from 76 engineering colleges. And these
Yes, sir.
76 engineering colleges also, there are different people from civil also people are there. EC also we have people. Triple E we have some people. CSC majority are there. So obviously
Yes,
it is like interdisciplinary people are there. Please.
Yes, sir. These applications are not restricted only for computer science.
Yes, yes. It is
engineering studies.
Interdisciplinary. Yes, yes.
Interdisciplinary. Yes, sir. I'm so much happy to get back these information and appreciation for me. And I'm making use of your motivation and appreciation to grow further along with your support.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Have a nice day, sir. We will be in touch with you, and we need all your cooperation and in our future collaboration also. In future,
every moment, wherever I can, it's not the thing. I will communicate with you. We will have the collaboration properly, sir. And your initiative only gave me much confidence. Now it is enhanced version of the February month presentation. It's not a different field of presentation today. Next time when you are inviting, I will present further enhanced version of the same topic. I have selected this field as my own field.
Version 1, version 2, version 3, something like that.
Yes, sir. You are providing continuous option and you are supporting and appreciating. That's the present thing.
Really wonderful. It's a privilege seeing you online. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir.
Prasad garu will start the next session sharply by 5 o'clock. Let the audience will take at least 10 minutes break.